Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to join affiliate program on Teachable. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in teachable.com, and of course then just go and log into your profile or register to Teachable if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and join affiliate program on Teachable. So firstly, let's see what we have in front of us. In the left side of the screen, as you can see, we have the home, users, site, sales, emails, and settings. We have the products where you can check out courses, coaching, and in the top right corner, we have the view your school option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and join affiliate program on Teachable. So first of all, you need to go and follow to this link. So basically, which I will be, of course, now providing you with. So go to this link here. So this is a Teachable affiliate partner. It pays to partner with Teachable. You need to, of course, go and sign up. And then when you're there, sign up, provide the required information. Then you'll see your confirmation mail with your unique tracking code and additional information to get started. Once you're part of the program, you can start earning commissions by referring creators to Teachable. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.